Hello everybody, this is John Dont from John Snake from Belgium. Today I want you to show the babies I got from my 2018 breeding of this Jayapura male that I bred to Arso female. Sorry, but she's a little bit hiding. The head is on the other side, so it's not so easy to show her. Well, this is the girl. She gave me 33 eggs. Of those, one was broken when I removed it, and the 32 other ones went into the incubator and gave me finally a total of 25 babies. I've sold 2 babies to somebody before they started to eat, so I'm remaining with 23 now, and I want to show you the 23 babies that are still here at home that will be for sale after they have eaten at least 10 times. So I'll just show them one by one, not in a special order or a number or whatever. I just want to show them. Because the first one, I have to say that I've tried to feed them 3 times right now, 4 times, I think 3 times, yeah, 3 times, 4 times today, and out of the 23 that I still have right now, already have 19 who are eating. So some of them have eaten 3 times, and other ones I still have 4 who still did not eat even 1 time. So let me show the head of this one, if it's possible. I don't know. Yeah, you see. All the babies were red. That's what I always have from this combination of this female and this male. So this is the first row of 4. This number 4 is coming. The 4th one is coming here. You will see that some of the babies are in a shed also. So the good thing this year that even some babies who are in shed take food, which I haven't seen a lot in a green tree python. Normally when they are in shed they are not eating, but I cannot complain about this year. Things are really going fine. Can only be happy with that. See another row. See nice red babies. A lot of them, so a lot of work, but when they eat good, I cannot complain, eh? So I will not complain either. So I'll just have to try to make the last 4 also to eat, which is not always easy, but at the end of the day I need to be positive and hope that everything will be okay. You see, this is one of the babies who is going to shed soon. There are more of them. So all of them are looking somehow the same. There's not a big difference in them. All a little bit the same babies. When I saw the number of eggs, I was a little bit afraid. I saw all these eggs. I will expect to have very small babies who will be difficult to start feeding, but honestly it's the best year I ever had for starting babies. Normally I have problems to feed them. I lose some from time to time. Right now, this 23, they're here since start, and I haven't lost even 1 baby, so that's good. But I will not celebrate too early, because I know that the babies can suddenly die sometimes without any reason. That's my experience with green tree python babies. Everything is going fine and then suddenly they die and you don't know why. I hope this will not happen this time. Also no problem with prolapse for the moment. Let's keep it this way, because my experience is that once you have a prolapse, it's the end of the baby. They don't recover from it. At least that's my experience. Maybe some people have other experiences, but for me when I have babies with prolapse, I can do whatever I want. I put the intestine back with some sugar, but after all they can continue eating, but after some time finally they die. So a prolapse is really something you don't want to have on green tree pattern babies. The ones I'm showing now are all babies who have fed already. I'll keep the last for the ones who are not feeding. I'll show them as last, so that you can see that even from those who are not feeding yet, that they are still strong. So you see, this is one of these babies who are soon shed. It's really dark now. So there's a lot of filming with that big number of babies. Hope you're not getting bored of it. Don't think so. Green tree python lovers never have enough, only want to see more and more. So let's see, still 2, and then we are going to the 4 who are not eating yet, so these ones are still feeding. Let's see, another try tonight. The years before I always fed them at night with little or no light. That's how I started also this year, but by surprise, not really by surprise, but I just wanted to try last week with a few babies who did not eat yet to feed them in the evening, but when the lights were still on in the snake room, and to my surprise I managed to get a few to feed, so it's not really necessary to feed them at night. So now we are coming to the 4 remaining ones, the one I have not fed yet. You will see they are still looking good. It's not a big difference with the other ones, so I stay positive that I can also start these 4 babies. Anyway, I don't like to assist feed them, but that's really the last thing I would do, but because I know even I have different experiences with them. For them, some of the babies, when you start them to assist, when you make some assist feeding, the next time they are feeding on themselves, but some don't. Most they do after some time, but I also have the impression that the ones you assist feed, there's a bigger chance that finally they will not make it later. Okay, these are the last 4 for the non-feeding ones, and to end this movie, I just go up the ladder here and show you a snake from the same combination as this baby, who is 3 years old now, is a female. Just that you have an idea how some of the babies will look like, but honestly you can never be sure how they will look, because babies, they can change so much, and every baby is different. You see, but also this was my keeper, so I took this one because he had a lot of these white triangles. You still see some of the triangle design, you see, but it's very strange. It's like it's a little bit orange, and there's also some blue on the snake. So we will see. Maybe some babies, they will turn a different looking. I have no idea, because from the last breeding from these ones from 3 years ago, there's only one guy who sent me a picture recently, and it's looking somehow the same as this one. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this movie. Bye bye.